welcome back to my channel. So with the holidays being crazy, life being crazy, I was doing a lot of different makeup looks. My makeup room slash office slash beauty room, whatever you guys want to call it, has gotten absolutely destroyed. So I figured I would film the process of me cleaning it, and maybe you guys would enjoy it because I like watching cleaning videos here on YouTube. It stresses some people out, and it's very therapeutic to me and gets me motivated. So before we start the video, I'm going to show you what my office looks like before it's cleaned, which is very embarrassing, I'm aware, but if you're a makeup artist, you probably will understand the mess. There's a Christmas tree that is knocked over. My cat knocked that over the night before I filmed this video, so that's just makes it look even worse, guys. This office is destroyed. On my channel, you're gonna get the real deal. Like, you're gonna get an honest mess. If I show you guys my makeup organization, you're gonna get like an honest, like, how it is. I will probably never get my makeup completely organized how I want it to be. So you guys are just gonna see like the reality of me, my room, my makeup, my everything. Alright guys, so I cleaned a bunch and I'm still not done, but this is what we got so far. I'm thinking once I finish the entire room, organizing everything, I don't know, I have a lot of organizing to do, but I feel like when I do that, maybe I will give you guys a full like in-depth tour. This stuff over here has to be moved. That's a box of stuff that needs to go somewhere. I gotta like figure all of that out. I need to go through and paint trims on here because the windows are brown and it's just not so cute. That's like kind of whatever. Right, that last clip kind of got cut off, but this area right here, I have no idea what to do with it. I kind of want to put like backdrops up here so that I can film in this area. I need to go through and fully organize this whole thing because right now things are just kind of like thrown up there. This looks cute, I'm fine with that, but yeah, I feel like there's a lot more that I still need to do here. If you guys want to see an in-depth tour of my office slash glam room, please drop a comment and let me know. And thank you guys for watching. Also, a little side note, if you guys make short videos on like TikTok, Likee, or anything like that, you guys like doing live streams, please be sure to message me on Instagram because I can possibly help get you guys hooked up with a contract where you can get paid for doing what you guys are already doing. I mainly sign people to my team who are makeup artists or comedians, just anybody who's super positive. So if that is something you're interested in, please reach out on IG at Ashley Mateo. So I'm just gonna stop rambling because I don't know what to do anymore. So I'll see you guys next time, and until then, bye.